Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Today is my monthly project update where I am going to share my plans for July on specific projects, and then also when I am not working on those projects or taking a break from them, then I'm going to be spinning my random wheel spinner, and I'm going to land on diamond painting, and whatever it lands on, that's the one I'm going to work on. What my plans are is that I will do this every month. I will choose a couple of diamond paintings that I would like to get completed within that month, and then I'll work on those for a little while, and then I will change up. I will spin the wheel, work on whatever it chooses, and then I'll go back to the other diamond painting. So that way I have more of a chance of getting a completion than just working on this willy-nilly whenever I spin the wheel every time, because I'm afraid if I do that, I'll never get anything done, or it's going to take a very long time to get things completed. And I'm not all about completions, but it will be nice to see my work come to fruition, and then I can start knocking out some of these 26 diamond paintings, and then I will be able to add more. So I'm going to turn you around and let's get started. A few that I am planning on working on in July. The first one is the fairest of them all. This one is a round. It is by Mandy Manzano from Diamond Art Club, and this one is my oldest diamond painting in my collection. It is a 42 by 125 centimeters, and I really would like to get this one done, if not in July, definitely by the end of August. I'm getting closer. It just takes me a while because it is from 2021, 2022 time frame, which the drills are different. The canvas is also different, so it takes me a while when I start working on this to get back into it. But I definitely would like to see this one done by the end of August. So if I don't finish it in July, then you will definitely see this one again in my August project. The next one is one that is fairly new to me, so I wanted to get just a row or two done. I don't expect to get this one finished, but this is Mermaid Journal, and this is from Beach City Boutique. It's a 70 by 70 centimeter. It is a square, and I love the drills. They fit perfectly. But this one, look how beautiful that those drills are, and look how shiny. I'm hoping, like I said, to get one or two out of it by the end of July, and then I will use that to spin the wheel, and if it comes back up, that will be wonderful. But I definitely wanted to at least get something done on this one. You guys, this next one, I am going to focus on this in July. It is going to be finished. If I have to stay up all night long the last 2 or 3 days of the month, and if I have to, I will. It is Cozy Morning Coffee. It is by Hannah Lynn. It is from Hannah Lynn's website, from her company. It is one of the first ones that came off of their manufacturing line, and I really do like it. I do have some points on it that I want to cover when I do my post review. It is a square. Some of the drills, especially the black ones, are extremely tight. They're different sizes, and I have struggled with this. But I am one row left, and I didn't even go through and bling up the glasses. I had planned on it. I just got focused on this, was working on it, and then realized, oh, I've already done her rims of her glasses. So I'm not going to bling that up. I might bling her eyes up since I still have that I can do, but it did not come with any special drills. That has changed now. Again, this is one of the ones that had come out first. So there have been some changes. It's a 60 by 81 centimeter, and it is 48 colors. I am just so excited that I'm getting so close to this one. So you'll definitely see the post review. I am looking forward to it. It is really pretty. I love pink, so I hadn't had a problem with that. I did struggle, as I had mentioned several times on the laptop. That one was rough. That almost took me out, and I started at the bottom. In hindsight, I wish I would have started at the top of this one and worked my way down. I think that would have been better, because once I got to the laptop, which took me forever, hours and hours on the laptop, I was kind of disinterested in it just because of that. I'm a multi-placer, but I am not really a fan of heavy color blocking, and that's what this is. And I will just be glad to be done with it. But I am working on another Hannah Lynn, and I'm loving how it's coming out. This is really pretty. It's just been a little stressful for me to work on this one. But as I said, it will definitely be done. And then what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to work on this one, work on the other two, like I had mentioned, just a couple of sections, and then I'm going to do my wheel spinner, and whatever the wheel comes up with, that is what I'm going to work on. But each month I am going to decide on 1 to 2 diamond paintings that I would like to focus on for the month, and then once I get to those, then I'm going to start doing the wheel. So I'll do a few sections, and then I will stop, do another diamond painting, and then come back to it. So that way, that will be my focus on it. That's one way that I'm seeing that I can also get through some of these, especially since I have 26 in my stack. And you guys can see Molly, I don't know what she's doing, but she has to be in on several of my videos. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're working on, or any plans that you have for the month of July, or even if you have something that's coming up in August, because before you know it, we're going to start thinking of August and what we need to plan on. If you like this video and you'd like to have more content similar to this, click on that like button as well as the subscribe button if you are not a subscriber. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.